Alright, so the first window that you'll probably be popping up is in Learning. So these are just some overview and tutorials on Premiere Pro. Don't look at these tutorials, watch my tutorials instead. Here you have your preview window, so before you can import footage, this is the raw footage. Here is your project area, your timeline over here, and your final preview. Next is assembly. This shows your main project area. Alright, this is what's in the project bin area. This is your timeline, and this is your preview window. It can be the preview for the final preview, but also the preview if you're just previewing the original footage. Now the editing workspace. So this is your project area, timeline, final preview, and so it's basically like Learning just without the tutorials. Now color, this is your coloring area. You have also your project bin, your timeline, preview window. We also got your lumetri scopes over here, and you have your basic correction. You just have your lumetri color area over here. Now, effects. This is important. This is your effects panel for whichever video is selected on the timeline, project area, preview, and you also have your effects, a list of effects. So, for example, if I wanted to add some blur, I would look up blur, and then I would use this one, and then I'd slap it on here, and then I'd change it, and it'd be super blurry, and you can't even see anything. Looks like it's censored, whatever. Now, audio. So here's your audio. If something is a bit loud, you can turn it up or turn it down. Simple enough. Now, captions and graphics. This is your sort of all-around area. So you have your standard window over here, including source, lumetri scopes, effect controls, text, and audio. So, but then over here you have your graphics. So, for example, if I wanted to add some text, I can just plop it on here, and then you can see it's up right there. We don't need that. Now, captions. Here we go. Captions, quite useful. You got your captions area. You can create new caption track. I'll make a full video on this. Basically, you can just say hello, and there's your caption. You can slap it right here, and boom, you have a caption right there. You can't even see it at all. Here are your caption settings. I'll go over that in the caption video. Graphic settings. You can also add other things. I don't really use graphics. And then there's a couple other panels here. Honestly, I don't really use these. My main ones are editing and effects.